friends! Today, yes, we're going to play a very cool game about Halloween. Let me present you the thermometer of fear! Yes, we are in Halloween! This thermometer is very special because it has 3 levels. The yellow one is going to show us cute characters of Halloween, okay? Non-scary. The orange one is going to show us scarier characters. And the red one is like the scariest of all. I want to see them, okay? So let's play. Oh! Okay, we start from the bottom, from the yellow level. So what is the cutest or the cute character you're going to show us? Thermometer, come on, let's go. Ah, nice! What is it? Cute, right? She's the cutest. She's a ballet dancer, a ballerina. And of course, she's not scary at all. She's the sweetest and the cutest. I really like her. Come on, show me another character. Whoa! Okay, now in the middle. Great. So come on, show me a scarier character. Oh, what a fright. What is it? Can you see? I don't like it, but I can hold it. It's a ghost. It's a bit scarier. Yeah, it's a bit scarier, right? But it's not like super scary. Okay, let's see what's up there. Come on. Whoa! I think the monsters are the scariest characters of all. But, oh wow! And what about those two? Okay, I guess that we have to put them in order. A pirate and a vampire. So, from you and from me, who is the scariest? I think the pirate is not a scary character. I'm going to put the pirate between the ballerina and the ghost. The pirate is a bit scarier than the ballerina, but it's less scarier than the ghost. And the vampire, for me, guys, the vampire is a bit scarier than the monster, but it's for sure scarier than the ghost. I don't like them. Oh.
Do you want to keep learning with us? Download our worksheets and keep practicing. We have a full method to learn all types of structures in English. Check the description below for more content.